protects the innocent. So point B, it is pro-senior. According to Arizona Concealed Carry Weapons, January 12, 2010, it is sad commentary, but in many cases, the elderly are targeted by criminals since they are generally one of the more weak and potentially helpless members of our community. So that she has a better understanding of the laws that govern the use of deadly force and when it can justifiably be used. We see a lot of older men and women in our courses for this reason. If they did purchase a gun for their own protection, should someone break into their home, they would be justified in using the firearm in self-defense if a burglar entered their home illegally. And there was a reasonable fear of serious injuries, sexual assault, or being killed. As far as shooting and asking questions later, as long as the criminal inside her house, she would be on pretty firm legal ground. Impact. It shows that elderly will enormously benefit from the castle doctrine because they are much weaker and do not have the ability to defend themselves without a weapon and permission to act. Also, just to clarify, we mentioned in our definition that we define self-defense as the right that allows a person to use reasonable force in his or her own defense. That does not necessarily mean that that the person acting under the standing ground law has to use a gun. It's just it can be your bare hands, or even or any other sort of weapons. It's not just it's not just limited to guns. It can be knives, electric thing. Thank you. Yeah, and maybe just your bare hands, or something like that. Or well, you get the idea. And so basically with that statement, because in my definition I said that it's only force, which does not limit it to guns, I've refuted my opponent's arguments on how the standing ground encourages violent reactions and other arguments like that. For these reasons,
Keep on talking.
for these reasons, we urge you to vote pro. Thank you.